From the mountains to the beach, adventure is waiting when you hit the road in an RV. Rex & Sons RVs has the experience and selection to help you find the best RV to fit your lifestyle. We carry new and used motorhomes, travel trailers, and fifth wheels by the best brands in the business. After the sale, our friendly and knowledgeable staff will be happy to help with maintenance, repairs, parts, and accessories. Visit us today or check us out online at rexandsonsrvs.com.
Rex & Sons RVs. Enjoy life's journey.